Extends wiring system for more flexibility for Ford towing packages. 12-inch 4-wire flat non-shrouded loop. Wire functions printed on wire for easy reference. Corrosion-resistant terminals. Meets SAE standards. Hopkins Manufacturing Corporation makes your towing experience simpler and more rewarding through innovation and value. Hopkins offers a variety of towing solutions including vehicle wiring kits, adapters, vehicle and trailer connectors, breakaway systems and much more. Today, more than 40% of retail category sales are generated from Hopkins innovations. A 4-wire flat is the most commonly used trailer plug. This plug is found on small boat, utility, jet ski, snowmobile, and small camper trailers where right turn, brake, left turn, brake, tail, marker lights and ground is needed. Top reviews from the United States. Working. Just need my plug to be a bit longer, worked great, so I did not have to cut the plug off and extend the wires to reach. And a good price.